A1 pay dirt right here in the pan. The reason I know so much about this is because my great grandpa, Uncle Alfred Mitchell,
we built our lands to make it our home. Now we're living wild where the wild things roam. Like and subscribe, please don't pass us by. We're living life out here under the sky. Join our journey, come along for the ride.
Oh, good job. Look at you go. We done went way up that hill where there was dead trees at.
Here we are again, guys. We are still in Taylor Park. We drove probably, I think, man, seems like probably about 2 hours down a Forest Service road, and we found this beautiful spot. Absolutely gorgeous. Got our fire going, and we are going to be cooking tonight some bison and cornbread and black-eyed peas, man. She's got the black-eyed peas and the cornbread already ready. We're gonna let this fire right here cook down a little bit and enjoy a beautiful night, man. I'm telling you what, it has been nothing less than epic, our travels, man. So we're going on our second week exploring Colorado, and man, it's been beautiful. Did a little fly fishing this evening right here in the creek. Gonna do some more tomorrow, and bought a gold pan, so we're gonna play around with that. So stick around this video and get enlightened by people that have never panned for gold or fly fished. Should be pretty humorous. So South Louisiana boy here is having a hard time dealing with running water. My water at home don't flow, and I can fish that all day long. But I don't understand. You throw the fly in there, and you can't see it no more. How do you know? Oh well, I'll figure it out. I'll watch some more YouTube videos tonight, and hopefully I'll be a pro by the morning. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna got my Tony Sasher here. I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but man, look at that. That is a beautiful piece of meat. Super lean. That bison. Look at that. We're gonna flip her over, give her the same treatment on this side. Can't go wrong with Tony's, man. That seems more fitting than eating some bison in the forest. Truck camping, man. We'll put her on there. Oh, yeah. Drop her down a little bit. We're going to let that cook. Ooh, this is going to be good. All right, we're going to flip this sucker again, man. A little bit of adjustments here. See how that does. Call it flame broiled. We are hungry. Let her cook like that for a little bit. All right, here we go. Bison, black-eyed peas, and cornbread, baby. That's how we gonna do it. It's good. I mean, really.
Yeah, I loved it.
It's tender.
Yeah, it has a really good taste.
A plus on a bison, man. Really like it. So, it's cold, as if you can't tell. It's gotten cold. We're going to see y'all tomorrow morning. We're going to eat, get ourselves in bed, and get up early tomorrow morning and do some fly fishing and gold panning. We'll see y'all.
Okay, Alexis. Uh-huh.
Hold on. Yep. Got it. All right. Let me get it in. Okay.
Careful.
Hold on.
Careful.
All right. Oh, God.
stupid. We ain't got no sense.
Hell yeah.
Here we go. We caught it with a fish stick.
All right, guys, just let you know there is gold in these here hills, and we gonna find it today. Trout fishing didn't work out for me. Well, it's water temperature,
Right.
multitude
Yeah.
of things.
Yeah. 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 It wasn't your fault.
Wasn't in
No.
my favor.
Well, it wasn't in your favor. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right.
I
Right.
mean,
Right.
yeah, water could have been another 2 inch or 2 deeper. but
Right.
You get what you get what
Yeah.
you're given.
Yeah,
is
yeah.
Basically, what it is.
Right.
It's nature.
Right. Yeah. Right. Right. Nature.
Maybe next time.
Yeah.
So what you gonna do here? We got grade A1 pay dirt right here in the
God.
pan. The reason I know so much about this is because my great grandpa, Uncle Alfred Mitchell, used to run these creeks back in the day. He's 2 years old. He was panning gold out here.
Of course he's lying.
But
Of course.
there's a long line of people. You're kind of born with it,
Yeah. It's in your blood.
Just keep doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah. All that gold will settle.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep doing that some more. Look at there. Boy,
Oh yeah.
it's heavier than it normally would be with just rocks. I can tell there might be something in it.
Yeah. Okay.
Rocks ain't that heavy.
No. It's got to be gold. God.
Yeah. I mean, you guys will see soon enough.
Yeah. Uh huh.
Ooh. Smells like it.
Oh my God! I swear to God.
Oh, buddy, let me tell you something. Get my boss on the phone right now. I ain't coming in.
You quitting
You would.
because you found some rocks?
Let's get these heavy things out of here. Forgot my classifier at home.
What's a classifier?
Just to get them big rocks out.
Oh yeah. I thought them big rocks would have went out early on.
Well, they don't because of water density.
Water density. Huh. Hey, there's people riding way up there. Oh, sorry. Sorry. I got
Tell
distracted.
you what, buddy. I'm not gonna believe this.
So stupid.
I swear. Look at there. Right there. Look. Jesus. My gold. So close.
The guy's an idiot, y'all. I'm sorry.
Telling you guys, that was the pan of a lifetime.
And you dropped it?
I didn't have the right shoes on for this type of activity.
Could have been rich, huh? We were rich for a second.
Now I know how the old timers felt when they were up here.
Uh-huh.
Really, guys, I don't feel like talking about it anymore, so we're going to stop this right here. And I got to regroup.
But I swear to God.